the volume of space in the universe seems destined to increase forever.
What this means is that distant galaxies are going to go zooming away from us and will eventually become invisible because they'll be too far away to see.
And without seeing galaxies rushing away from each other, future civilizations will lose all sense of history. They won't know that there was ever a Big Bang.
So you will think that the only structure within the universe is the Milky Way galaxy, and that the rest of the universe is effectively empty, devoid of stars.
Another scientific theory proposes that this expansion will balloon even faster. If this does happen, a violent end awaits our cosmos.
Suppose the amount of repulsive energy increases with time per unit volume. It'll eventually grow strong enough to cause clusters of galaxies to get ripped apart. And then galaxies themselves will get ripped apart. The stars will start flying away from one another, no longer held together by gravity. And then planetary systems like our solar system will get ripped apart. And then stars and planets will get ripped apart. And then humans will get ripped apart. And then the very atoms of which we are made will get ripped apart. That's called the Big Rip. And it's a really scary possibility. But don't worry, most of us don't think it's going to happen.
But even if the rate of expansion never reaches this tipping point, the future of our universe still isn't promising.
Its temperature decreases. It's getting colder and colder, and darker because the feeble light emitted by stars is going into a progressively larger volume. So the universe is going to get really cold and really dark. Basically a pretty gloomy place.